Ever found yourself browsing the web and wishing you could view two pages side by side without constantly jumping between tabs? Microsoft Edge browser comes with a built-in split screen feature. To use it, simply click the three dots in the top right corner of your browser and choose Split Screen. Or if you see the split screen icon in your toolbar, just click it. The screen will then split, showing your current page on one side. On the other side, you can choose any open tab to display next to it. You can easily adjust the size of each window by dragging and dropping. You can also switch the layout to vertical by clicking on the three dots at the top of either pane, then selecting Switch to Vertical. From the same menu, you'll also find other useful options. One of them is Open Left Links to the Right. When this option is enabled, any link you click on the left side will instantly open on the right, without affecting the original content. Also, if you're browsing a site and want to preview a link without leaving your current page, simply right-click the link and choose Open Link in Split Screen. The screen will split, opening the link on the other side. When split screen mode is active, right-clicking any link will show two extra options: Open Link in Right Split Screen and Open Link in Left Split Screen.